In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit keywords in a Google Ads campaign. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your targeting or introduce new terms to reach potential customers, understanding how to manage your keywords effectively in Google Ads is essential. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Google Ads account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once there, enter your credentials to sign into your account. If you're not a frequent user, you might find yourself on the overview page. Don't worry, this is where you need to start. Next, head over to the campaigns section on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on campaigns and you'll be presented with a list of all your current ad campaigns. Browse through these campaigns and select the one you want to edit. This is your target campaign where you'll be making modifications to your keywords. Once you've selected your desired campaign, direct your attention to the left menu once again and find the Keywords tab. Clicking on Keywords will show you the list of keywords currently associated with your campaign. From here, identify and choose the specific ad group where you want to edit or add keywords. Ad groups allow you to organize your ads by a common theme. It's crucial because your keywords must be relevant to the ads associated with them to ensure your message is accurately reaching the right audience. If you intend to introduce new keywords, locate the text field provided and type in the new keywords you'd like to add. Remember, the selection of your keywords should align with the terms your potential customers might use when searching for products or services like yours. Think broadly but stay relevant. Next, it's time to select an appropriate match type for each keyword you've entered. Google Ads offers several match types such as broad match, phrase match, and exact match, each determining how closely the user query must match your keyword. Consider the reach and control you want over your ads as you make your selections. As you're wrapping up adding your keywords, don't forget to enter a final URL for each keyword. This URL is where the user will land once they click your ad. If you choose to skip this step, the ad's default final URL will be used. Finally, take a moment to review everything. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click the Save button to add your new keywords to your ad group. This ensures your campaign is updated with the latest changes and ready to more effectively engage potential customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily edit or add new keywords to your Google Ads campaign, optimizing how you reach your audience and improving the performance of your ads. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your ad management skills.